Hello! Today I'll share with you a work from home opportunity kung saan pwede kang makapag-apply ng virtual assistant job kahit ikaw ay walang bachelor's degree as long as senior high school graduate ka, at least 18 years old, at may 6 months to 1 year virtual assistant experience. The platform is called Wing Assistant. So type nyo lang yan sa Google. Click this first link. And as you see here, they are a group of top 1% remote workers and ito yung kanilang mga openings. So, pwedeng sales scholar, sales development, pwede kang sa real estate, kung ikaw ay may bookkeeping experience, content writing, digital marketing, virtual assistants, technical support representative, at iba pa. So, ano ba yung in-offer ng Wing? So, ang in-offer ng Wing sa kanilang mga applicants ay 100% remote jobs, attractive compensation and job security, so walang tigatig according to them. Tapos, attractive compensation. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa Wing is very clear sila dun sa kanilang mga salary packages. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Meron din silang performance appraisals and incentives at growth opportunities. So, you will see here yung kanilang mga testimonials from other workers. So, some of them are social media specialists, graphic designers, at iba pa. So, ano nga ba yung pwede nating applyan sa Wing? One of those, so click lang tayo ng isa dito. Let's start with General Virtual Assistant. So, as you see here, bilang General Virtual Assistant, ito yung kanilang mga duties and responsibilities. May data entry, research, gather data, monitor projects, ad hoc tasks, at iba pa. And makikita nyo dito, ang kanilang qualification ay at least 6 months to 1 year of experience as a virtual assistant. So, kahit bago-bago ka pa lang sa pag-virtual assistant, pwede ka dito. Hindi mo kailangan ng bachelor's degree. Tumatanggap sila kahit senior high school graduate as long, of course, na legal age nila sila for working, which is 18 years of age. Tapos, syempre bukod doon, dapat meron sila ng mga ganitong qualifications. For this specific job post lang po itong ganitong qualifications ha. So, iba-iba yung kanilang qualifications depending dun sa job offer at depending dun sa task. So, for general virtual assistants, tumatanggap sila ng at least 6 months to 1 year experience as a virtual assistant. Ano naman yung mga benefits? So, benefits, meron silang HMO, meron silang or health insurance, meron din silang performance incentives, paid training, inclusive culture, 100% work from home, holiday and overtime pay, at iba pa. Tapos, ang kanilang schedule ay US work hours. So, pwede ditong part-time na 20 hours per week or 40 hours per week, no? So, as you see here, sabi ko nga kanina, very clear sila sa kanilang salary package. So, salary package with HMO. So, entry level, yung may mga 1 to 3 years of experience, up to 25,500. Intermediate level, 3 to 5 years of experience, up to 34,000. Yung expert level naman, up to 5 years of experience, up to 39,500. No po? At baka sabihin nyo, maliliit lang yung kanilang mga sweldo. May ipapakita ako sa inyo na isa sa kanilang mga openings. As you see here, entry level ay 1 to 3 years, 53,000. Intermediate, 3 to 5 years, 64,000. Expert level, 5 years and above, 80,000. Ano kaya ito? Let's see. So, before I go with the details kung paano mag-apply, isa-isahin natin yung mga job opening na ito at yung kanilang mga salary packages, requirements, at iba pa. So, for example, for this one, ito yung may salary package siya na 25,500 for entry level at 39,500 for expert level na may 5 years pataas na experience. Ito yung kanilang general virtual assistant. Ito, ang qualification niya ay at least 6 months to 1 year of virtual assistant experience, at least 18 years of age, and completed senior high school. So, please make sure that you qualify for all of these qualifications at meron kang mga technical requirement nila. Hindi ko na babasahin isa-isa because iba-iba naman ang technical requirement for each of the job post. So, let's see this one. Dito naman, ang salary package nitong job opening na to ay 28,000, entry level up to expert level na 50,500. Ang job opening is for social media assistant. Of course, ang kanilang qualification, dito kailangan ng may bachelor's degree in any field or certified course in marketing or business. At pagdating sa experience, kailangan at least 2 years of experience in social media. syempre, dapat pasok ka din dun sa iba pa nilang qualifications. Let's see the next one. Ito naman, 39,500 din at hanggang expert level na 50,500, ito ay medical scribe. Sa medical scribe, since ito ay may kinalaman sa medical, ang kailangan nila ay may bachelor's degree in medical field or pharmaceutical-related industry. Kasi kailangan familiar ka dun sa mga medical terms na itatranscribe mo. So, at least 1 year experience as a medical VA, medical documentation, or related field. So, make sure that you qualify. Next. So, good din ito sa mga mahilig magpuyat. So, graveyard shift siya. Next, for this one, 28,000 entry level up to 53,000 na expert level. Ano kaya ito? Ito ay content writer remote or remote jobs for content writers. Ang qualifications, bachelor's degree in any field or certified course in marketing or business. Siyempre, dapat may proven content writing or copywriting experience ka na din. For the next one, 31,000 ang kanilang entry level at 53,000 ang kanilang expert level. This job is for customer service representatives. So, nagmamanage sila both ng inbound and outbound calls. So, ang qualifications dito, at least 1 year proven experience as CSR in a B2C or B2B capacity, excellent English communication skills, at iba pa. Yan. Ito naman, 34,000 entry level to 53,000 expert level. Ito ay ang e-commerce specialist. So, dito naman, they manage the overall operations of the website and maintain seamless user experience. Ang qualification ay at least 1 year experience in e-commerce, website maintenance, and related industries. Siyempre, may mga kalakip din itong experience sa SEO, content and product inventory management, at iba pa. For the next one, pataas tayo ng pataas, no? So, 39,500 na entry level up to 53,000 expert level. Ang job opening na ito ay para sa mga bookkeepers for all our accounting peeps. Yan. At least 1 year proven experience as a bookkeeper with international clients. So, mas maganda or preferred nila yung may knowledge sa US taxation. So, good din na may background ka with or alam mong gamitin yung QuickBooks, Asana, Excel, at iba pa. So, next naman tayo, 39,500 ang entry level, 53,000 ang expert level. This is a healthcare virtual assistant. Dito, kailangan may bachelor's degree ka in medical fields or pharmaceutical-related industry at least 1 year experience as a medical virtual assistant. Next opening ay may entry level na 34,000 up to 34,000 na salary at expert level na up to 56,000. Ang opening na ito ay real estate virtual assistant. So, kailangan dito meron kang bachelor's degree in any field or certified course in business-related programs and of course, at least 1 year proven experience as a real estate virtual assistant or relevant role. So, check nyo din yung other qualifications and duties and responsibilities. Next tayo, 34,000 up to 34,000 ang entry level at up to 56,000 ang kanilang expert level. Ang job opening na ito ay para sa mga lead generation specialists, no? Dito naman, at least 1 year proven experience as an appointment setter or lead generation specialist with international clients. No, marami tayong mga nakikinig na mga appointment setters, so I hope you try this out and let's see kung magka-qualify kayo and good luck. Next tayo, dito naman sa job opening na ito, entry level ay 45,000, ang expert level ay up to 56,000. Ang job opening is for technical support representatives. So may iba-iba silang duties and responsibilities like troubleshooting IT issues. At ang qualifications, at least 1 year proven experience in technical support as a technical support representative, no? So yan, able to work graveyard shift at iba pa. Next tayo, ang entry-level salary package nitong job opening na ito ay 39,500. Expert level ay up to 64,000. And this is for the graphic designer position. Ayan. So, design content for blogs, articles, website pages, at iba pa. At syempre, qualification, at least 1 to 2 years graduate experience in graphic design, graduate of any bachelor's degree, and a minimum of 1 year experience. Syempre, dapat alam mo rin yung mga tools at may compelling portfolio ka dun sa iyong mga creative projects. Next tayo, Entry level is 53 up to 53,000. Expert level is up to 78,000. Ano kayang job offer ito? And this is for a digital marketing specialist position. So as you see here, marami siyang mga responsibilities over here. At ang qualifications niya, bachelor's degree in any field or professional certification in marketing or business-related courses, 2+ years experience in social media or 1 to 2 years in digital marketing at iba pa. So panggabi ito, at pero ang laki ng kanyang salary package. Next tayo. This one is, ang entry level ay up to 48,000. Ang expert level ay up to 70,000 per month, full-time. Ito ay sales caller. So, ang mga sales caller natin, they reach out to customers to provide information about products or services, sell offerings, and solicit donation. So, dito, pwede ang high school graduate or of any certificate course. Minimum na 1 year sales experience and proven ability to meet and exceed sales quotas successfully manage customer relationships. Wow! Pero dapat good ang iyong English communication skills. So check this out if you qualify. Next tayo. Meron pa. 48,000 ang entry level at expert level ay up to 70,000. This one is for real estate cold caller. So, ang kanilang qualification ay at least 1 year proven experience as a cold caller. Next tayo, entry level up to 48,000 and expert level up to 70,000. This is for the real estate transaction coordinator. So, ang lalaki pag real estate So, at least 1 year proven experience as a real estate virtual assistant or relevant role. Siyempre, dapat proficient sa transaction management software at may mga iba pang mga qualifications dito. Next, entry-level salary package niya ay up to 48,000 at ang kanyang expert salary package ay up to 70,000, and this is a job opening for sales development representative. So, marami silang mga duties and responsibilities, at syempre, at ang kanilang qualifications ay graduate of any bachelor's degree or certificate course, minimum 1 year of sales experience, and proven ability to meet and exceed sales quotas, successfully manage customer relationships. So, graveyard man ito, malaki naman ang sweldo. And syempre, kung kaya mo yung kanilang mga duties and responsibilities. And for the last one, yung pinakamalaki na offer nila so far as of September 2024 ay ang may entry-level salary package na up to 53,000 at expert-level salary package na up to 80,500 ay executive assistant. So, duties and responsibilities, here you go, andito. It depends from the client, di ba? So, duties and responsibilities include but are not limited to itong mga ito. May data entry, may researching, may monitoring of projects, at marami pang iba. Tapos, syempre, bawi tayo sa qualifications. Dito, minimum of 3 years of experience as an executive assistant to C-levels, CEO, COO, yung mga direct-to-client nating mga kasamang virtual assistant or executive assistants dito na ilang years na nagsusupport sa kanilang mga CEOs and COOs, chance nyo na ito. So, dapat meron silang bachelor's degree in or any certificate course, excellent ang kanilang mga skills, at able to work in graveyard shift. Yung kanilang mga technical requirements at iba pa. So ngayon pag-usapan natin dahil alam na natin yung mga job openings, alam na din natin yung kanilang mga salary packages, pati yung mga benefits. Alamin na natin paano mag-apply. So to apply for this position, all you have to do is choose, of course, kung anong position yung gusto nyong applyan. So example, gusto ko mag-apply dito sa executive assistant position. I'll just click apply for this job. So, mas maganda na meron na tayong resume or CV na available. So, you can click this one and attach it. Kailangan nating provide yung ating full name, email, phone number, current location, current company, kung ikaw ay employed pa rin. LinkedIn profile. So, make sure that you update your LinkedIn profile. And, syempre, answer natin yung mga questions. Sino yung nag-refer sa iyo sa position na to? Enter their first name and last name here. So, kung may kakilala kayo nag-refer, or you can website, blog, or portfolio. So, kung meron kayong portfolio, especially dun sa mga graphic design positions, portfolio having a good portfolio is awesome. Desired salary. So, kahit meron silang salary guide na pinakita kanina, nasa inyo pa rin yun. Ano yung desired salary nyo? And what is your earliest start date? Can you start today? Can you start next week? Or after a month pa? Kasi nag-render ka pa? And ganyan. Can you work on weekend? So, answer truthfully. Mahirap kasi yung pabida tayo dito, pero pagdating sa actual, ay, hindi pala ako pwede ng ganito, hindi pala ako pwede ng graveyard, hindi pala ako pwede ng weekends. So, you answer truthfully para hindi naman hirap yung wing assistant o yung ating magiging boss dun sa pag-manage ng ating schedule. What is your experience level for this position? Kung entry level, intermediate, or expert? So, how did you hear about this job? So, pwede nyo ilagay dito yung other or lagay nyo yung TikTok. You can add my link. Are you currently employed? So, answer this truthfully, please. If you're currently employed, what is your notice period? So, 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks? Ayan. So, have you worked for wing assistant before? What time of day can you work? So, iba-iba yung questions. Depende sa in-applyan nyo, no? So, ito, are you open to helping clients? Would you be willing to make phone calls on behalf of the client? Tapos dito, internet computer or in computer specs. So, follow nyo lang yung instructions dito. So pag nag-speed test ka, ito yung magiging itsura ng iyong test. Yan, yun yung screenshot na i-upload mo dito. Not necessarily this one, of course, kung ano yung lumabas doon sa yung speed test. Ito din yung backup internet mo. Dapat i-ano mo rin siya. Ipa-speed test mo rin yung backup connection mo. Tapos, please upload a screenshot of your computer specifications. So, ganito naman yung magiging itsura ng inyong screenshot for that one. So, yun. So, ayan. So, about this PC. Okay? So, as additional information, you can add your cover letter and anything else that you want to share. Sabi ko nga kanina, iba-iba yung mga questions nila per job description. So, please make sure to read and to fill out the form as accurately and as honestly as possible. Okay? So, once done, you click submit an application and then you wait for them to reach out to you. Please make sure that you whitelist these domains, yung lever.co, saka yung hire.lever.co with your email provider to make sure that you get their emails. Disclaimer, this is a generic job description for the position stated below. So, sabi ko nga kanina, yung mga job description dito is, it can vary pagdating mo doon sa pag na-hire ka na. So, depende kasi yon doon sa client na makukuha mo or nang ibibigay nilang client sa'yo. So, mayroon pa dito, please take note that only qualified candidates will be invited to take the assessment and scheduled for an interview. So, not necessarily na nag-apply ka for the position, clinic mo yung submit application is mag-move forward ka na sa next step. So, only yung qualified na pumasa dito sa initial questionnaire, yun yung i-invite nila to take the assessment and then may interview pa siya. So, you may also refer your friends and earn up to $30 if your referral is hired. So, yun lang for today about wing assistant. So, kayo ba ay interesadong mag-apply dito sa company na ito? And if you are a current worker or a current employee ng wing assistant, share nyo naman sa amin yung inyong mga testimonial on your experience on working on this platform or in this company, and we'll be happy to hear from you about your experiences working from this company. So, yun lang. Happy job hunting! Bye!